If you want more traffic, more shares, and more followers on your WordPress website, then social media plugins are a must. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 best social media plugins for WordPress that are widely used by professionals and beginners worldwide. These plugins will help you add social share buttons, display social feeds, and automate posting without coding. So let's get started. Plugin number 1, Smashballoon, best for social feeds. First on the list is Smashballoon, one of the most popular social media feed plugins for WordPress. This plugin allows you to display Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter feeds directly on your website. You can show real-time posts, videos, hashtags, and even create a social media wall. Smashballoon is trusted by over 1.7 million users worldwide, making it one of the most widely used social feed plugins. It is fast, SEO-friendly, and fully customizable, perfect for blogs, business websites, and e-commerce stores. Best for showing Instagram or YouTube feeds, building social proof, increasing user engagement. Plugin number 2, Add to Any Share Buttons, best free share plugin. Next is Add to Any Share Buttons, one of the most lightweight and flexible social sharing plugins for WordPress. It supports 100+ social platforms, including Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and email. You can add floating share buttons, inline buttons, or share icons anywhere on your website. The plugin is extremely fast, beginner-friendly, and doesn't slow down your site. Best for bloggers, SEO websites, viral content sharing. Plugin number 3, Revive Social, revive old posts, best for auto-sharing. Third on the list is Revive Social, also known as Revive Old Posts. This plugin automatically shares your new and old blog posts to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can schedule posts, add hashtags, and keep your social profiles active without manual work. This is perfect for website owners who want automatic traffic from social media. Best for content creators, SEO agencies, passive traffic automation.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.